What makes this question look a little scary at first is we have two things accelerating. We have the parcel that's dropping, of course accelerating at g. We have the truck that's accelerating at half the rate. Also, we're dealing with two different distances. The truck has to go 100 meters, parcel 30. But what makes this a little bit nice is both of these are starting from rest. That is, the truck starts moving at the beginning of this problem, and this is let go of at a certain point. And we want to know what the time difference is there. So if we calculate the time for this to hit the ground, and we calculate the time for this truck to move here, then we're set. We've got the problem solved. So for both of these, I'm going to use probably my favorite kinematic equation. That is, the displacement of an object is equal to half at squared plus v1t. Very important that we include that one, that we're only talking about the initial speed. And for both of our situations, that is the parcel dropping and the truck moving, v1 will be equal to 0. So actually in this problem, that's equal to 0. So things are already getting better. So on one side I'll talk about mail, and on the other side I'll talk about the truck. The mail needs to fall 30 meters where the truck moves 100 meters. The acceleration of the mail is simply g, so I can put that in. We have t squared, and then we have our equation already for the mail. And for our truck, our acceleration is half that, that is half g. So we actually have two halves here. And we have t squared here. Now these are different t's. This is the time for the mail to fall, so I'll just call this time 1, and this is, maybe not time 1, time A, this is time B. So they're talking about two different things. We want to find out the difference between these two times. So solving this half, we get 400 is equal to gtb squared. And if I say that g is equal to 10, which is a fair enough approximation, then we get tb is about equal to the square root of 40. Over here, if we say again g is equal to 10, then we have 60 divided by 10, which is just 6. So TA is equal to the square root of 6. Okay, now all we need to do is say what is the difference in time. That is, what is the square root of 40 minus the square root of 6. And that is about equal to 3.9, which would have been answer